Jen and DJ here with the ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a resistance band butt and thigh workout.
So for this workout, we have 6 total exercises that we're going to be doing, and we're going to do them in groups of supersets. We're going to do 2 sets of each superset. Our working time is 45 seconds, our break time is 20 seconds, and in between the groups of supersets, we'll then take a 30-second extended break. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for resistance bands or workout routines, check out our store at shop.achievepeak.com. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we have about 30 seconds until we get started. Our first exercise is going to be front squats, and I will demonstrate that. So you're going to stand on the band with both feet, and from here, you can pull the bands up kind of around the back of your arms or the front like this, and then from there, you're going to drop down into a squat, nice straight back, come up, and then repeat. There we go, let's get ready. There we go. So as you can see, I like mine in the back. Jen likes her bands and handles to be right there at the front of the shoulders. There we go. Keep a nice straight back, chest out, head up. Just try to go as low as you can each time. Try to push the knees out. Your knees should not come in like that. They should be trying to push out as you go down. There we go. 15 seconds. Let's go. Good controlled movements. Here we go. Last one. There we go. All right, we're going into RDLs. So for RDLs, we're going to stay standing on the bands. This time we're going to keep a slight bend in the knees. We're going to bend at the hips, keep a nice straight back. Right here, come back up. Just like that. There we go. Good controlled movements. Don't let the back bend. You shouldn't be coming down doing it like that. Doing a nice straight back. Keep the head up. There we go. "20 seconds. Make sure to choke up on your band so you have resistance the entire range of motion for this. So what I like to do is when you're bent over like this, right there, grab the band there so you have tension, and then you can start doing the exercise. Let's get one more. There we go. Going back to front squats. I'm gonna try it your way.
I was going to try yours just to see if it would work.
We'll switch it up. See which way you like best. Here we go. Let's front squat. Keep those knees from buckling in. Just try to go as low as you can. Maybe that's only to here, and then you gotta come back up, that's fine. Just try to work on going a little lower each time. There we go.
Nope, I like my way.
I'm gonna hold it out here. Come on, 15 seconds. Let's go.
What's up, buddy? Hi.
He says, "You're supposed to be lifting me, mommy."
Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Let's get one more.
Oh no.
There we go.
Come here.
Want me to hold him?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
He's heavy already. The heavy baby.
All right, let's get ready for RDLs.
Let's see. I'll figure it out.
There we go. Keep a nice straight back. You're bending at the hips, not at the back. Slight bend in the knees. There we go. Good controlled movements here. Feel it in the back of the legs. It may help to try to kind of lean forward and be on the toes. When you're down here, kind of try to lean a little bit forward, but don't fall. 15 seconds. Let's go. Stretch it out. Come back up. Nice straight back. There we go. Last one, come on. There we go. All right, we got a 30-second break and we're going into lateral lunges. So for that, I'm just actually gonna use heavier weight. For lateral lunges, we're gonna put the band out like that, and then we're gonna grab it, and then we're just gonna lunge to one side only for this entire thing. So I'm gonna start out going to the left. Here we go. So we're gonna go to one side, come back. Just wear it out. Again, keep a nice straight back here. Keep your weight in your heels when you're doing this. Here we go. Try to go down a little deeper each time. Come on. There we go. Let's push it. 10 seconds. Come on. Last one. There we go. All right, from here we're gonna drop down and do glute kickbacks. What you're gonna do is you're actually gonna put the handle on the foot. So I put the actual grip on the sole of my shoe, and then I grab it with the opposite hand. We're gonna go down to all fours, and then from here, we're gonna kick back.
Hi, buddy.
I think I actually went the wrong way.
Yeah, you did.
All right, quick rotate. I messed up. Here we go. Just so you can see. Hey, buddy. Hi. Come on. Let's go. So you're gonna push back and then up. Do not rotate open like that. You're trying to keep the hips straight down at the ground. Working the glute. Get that burn. Should kind of feel it in the upper part of your butt. Oh, it burns. Come on, last one. Whew. That caught fire. All right, going back into lateral lunge. We're going to the opposite side now. So we hit the left side the first set. We're gonna tear up the right side the second set. Let's get ready. Here we go, go to the right. Staying at the right. Oh yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
He's like, why do you leave me? Come on.
Yeah.
Let's push it. Keep a nice straight back. Let's go.
Come here. Let's lunge you.
Xander's trying to get used to the workouts. Come on, 15 seconds. Keep a nice straight back. Stay in the heels. Try to get a little deeper each time. Come on. Last one. There we go. All right, so we're going to glute kickbacks. Handle on the right foot. Grab the bands with the left foot. And then, now we go this way. There we go. Let's get ready. Here we go.
You're almost rolling over, buddy.
Remember, you can choke up on the bands with this hand. Right there. You don't have to hold the handles. Remember to try not to open the hips up like that. You're gonna keep them straight down and just push that leg back and up. Come on. Woo! Blood's catching fire. The glute needs to feel them. 10 seconds. Let's go. Woo! Last one. Woo! Here we go. 30-second break. We're going into one of my favorites, static lunges. So, start off with the left foot, put the bands under it, get in a lunge position, choke up on the bands, and then from here, we're literally just gonna do lunges the entire time. Dripping sweat now. Here we go, let's go. Here we go. So, with this, if you want to work more quads, your front of your leg, then you're going to want to try to stand straight up. Even kind of come forward with it a little bit as you come up. If you want to work more butt, try to push backwards, away from your foot. That's going to work more glutes. And man, is it going to burn? Come on, 15 seconds. Let's go. Come on, push it. Let's see what you got. Let's go. There we go. All right, we're switching to the right side. Yep. We got 2 sets on each leg. Let's get ready. Let me turn.
Like I'm sweating like you sweat.
What are you trying to say here? There we go. Remember, if you push back like that, it's gonna work more glutes. If you kind of come more straight up on that leg, it's gonna work more quads.
Lost my balance. Woo.
Let's go. Woo! Push it out. See what you're made of here. Build them legs, build that butt. 10 seconds. Come on. You do anything for 10 seconds. Let's get one more. Oh yeah. Woo. Switching sides. This one's gonna test you right here. Woo wee. 5 seconds. Left side static lunges. Here we go. Push it. Push yourself. Come on. Let's go. Moving along. Come on. Keep that back nice and straight. You shouldn't be coming down like that. Keep the head up. Push back for glutes. Up for quads. Come on. Push it. One more. Woo. One more set.
Almost done. Almost there.
My legs are on fire. It's the new bands. All the resistance we got now. Right leg. Static lunges. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. Last step. Last exercise. Push it. Work the legs. Keep the back nice and straight. 15 seconds, come on. Let's go. Push it. 2 more. 1. Last one. 2. Woo. Oh my God. My legs are jello. Alright, if you like this video,
smash that like button.
boom! Woo! My legs are killing me. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. I can't think my legs are on fire. And if you're looking for bands or a workout routine, go check out our store at shop.achievpeak.com. See you guys.
Bye guys.
Woo!